Hello and welcome. In this section, we'll walk you through how to view and edit vendor details. In the dashboard section, go to the vendors. Manage vendors. For whichever vendor you wish to do the changes, on the extreme right side you can preview using icon. Click the pencil icon to fill in the details. Once you have added the required fields, scroll down and click on Save. This is how you edit for company details of a single vendor, and the same way you can edit other options such as billing and invoices, warehouses, shipping partners, users and permissions, and payment integration. Click on Save for changes on each page. To edit vendor details in bulk, from the dashboard, we go to the vendor sections and then to manage vendors. The next step will be to select the vendors in bulk, export the vendors all together, choose the details you want your Excel file in. Click on Export, and you will get the Excel sheet of all the vendors you selected. Do the changes in the sheet and then import it. Thank you for watching.